What's happening, guys? We got a couple things to get through today. I got a couple new tools. You'll see one right here. It's upside down. It's the Ego 12-inch compact chainsaw. It's a little 12-inch limbing saw. I got another one. I'm gonna make separate videos of them. And unfortunately, it's just snotty and rainy out today. I don't think I'm gonna be using them today, but I'm gonna get them out. We're gonna go over them, kind of give my first impressions and everything. But I do have a job tomorrow, actually, where we're going to be taking these things out and using them. So I'm actually excited about this one. Funny story, while I opened this box, I was going through looking for something at my local Ace Hardware, and the fantastic employee there, he took out his company issued phone and started looking through their app trying to help me, and I saw an Ego limbing saw, and I immediately stopped him and said, order that for me now. I want it, get it. And he tried and tried and tried, and for some reason he couldn't, and we couldn't figure it out. I was a little disappointed. I was like, I want the saw, come on. And I come to find out later that it hadn't even been released yet in America, and somebody messed up and got it on their website or on their app, their in-store app, when they shouldn't have. So, all right, so we've got here, this comes with I'm pretty sure it's a 2.5 amp battery. I wonder if it's the one with the new fuel gauge or the cheaper variant that I don't like. Oh, it's the one with the new fuel gauge. It has a little bit of a charge, but not too much. Put that back in the box. Nice new. I love the smell of new stuff. It comes with your standard. It's just the cheapo standard charger. We'll plug this in a little bit, and I'll let you know exactly how much power it draws on my Home Assistant here. We're going to have some literature that we're not going to read. And here's the main event. Oh man, I'm just... Here, I don't think I have to cut this. I could just take it off like this. So it says here, equivalent. The gas equivalent is a 30 cc. 130 cuts with a 2.5-inch battery, and tool-free tensioning. I'm not sure. Oh, it's got some like oil on it. I'm not sure how I read some stuff about the tool-free. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll show you guys up close in a little bit. My other saw has this, and it's a little bit different, but yeah, we'll go over all that. Let me get this stuff, some of this stuff out of the way, because I have a cat who no doubt heard this box opened and loves to eat plastic. So we'll put that right there. Here's our new saw. So the tool-free tensioning, this loosens the cover. Turn it to loosen the cover, and then this tensions the chain. See, this is the problem they have, is they pop down way too easy. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. I'm really excited to try this out. Now I currently use an Echo. Oh, and it actually has a functional chain brake. That's excellent. I currently use an Echo CS303T as a limbing saw. It's a little, I think it's a 32 cc or something. Oh, it's got the little metal chain guard down here too. That's quite nice. I did hear some complaints about this little safety on the trigger, but I mean, all my other ones have the safeties, and you kind of get used to them. I think it might be a problem if you never use these, and like if you use different brands with different safeties and then you go to use this one, it can be an issue. This does have the little spring-loaded cover that covers up all the contacts for the battery. That's quite nice. Speaking of battery, let's get this charger plugged in. I'm going to plug it in right down here to my Third Reality smart plug, which gives me power measurements. So I will get on my Home Assistant here and make sure that that's not drawing anything right now, so we can get an accurate power measurement. Okay, so that charger is actually drawing 0.4 watts right now, so that's virtually nothing. Yeah, 0.4. So when we plug the battery into it, there we go, the fan started up. We're at 32, 104. I think it's going to ramp up a little more. 167, 182, 194, yeah, it looks like it's flattened out there. 194.3 watts is what this charger's pulling. Now I've got a 500 watt commercial, like dual port charger, right? You guys can't see it, it's right next to you there. That's what I'll be using. I mean, these slow chargers, I try to use them, but I make my living with these tools, and I have so many batteries that I go through every day, all the way from 2.5 to, I think my biggest are 10 amp now. I just can't, these slow chargers I can't keep up. When I get home, I have to use the fast chargers because I need to get everything ready to go before my solar stops producing, if that makes any sense, because I don't want to pay the power company to charge my batteries. So I've been using that. I used the single port charger up there, and since I acquired some more batteries recently, I was thinking I was going to have to get a second quick charger so I could charge two at a time. But then I recently, and I don't really want to say anything, I guess I have to, I recently bought the commercial backpack blower, and it came with this commercial 2 battery charger. We'll make a video on that blower at some point. But anyway, I am excited about this. There's your little, so on your harness you can just hook it on. Hopefully the rain's going to hold off tomorrow so I can use this. I'm not going to upload this video right now. I'm going to use it and give my thoughts at the end of this video. So we'll just kind of put it on pause until tomorrow and pick it up from there. What you guys think about this, like, body cam view. If you think it's better or worse or what. quite impressed with that.